Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the Gala Model Question Paper solution of English, paper number 4, section A. Firstly, we'll read the following passage and select the appropriate answers from the options given below. So that are the MCQs. For that first question, who had spoken to the girl to sit down? It's option number B, an elderly man. Second, the phrase chimed in means it's option number C, intervened. Third, Valli does not accept herself as a. It's option number D, all of these three. Fourth, Valli did not leave the seat for. It's option number B, the fear of losing the seat. Now, the next is the fill in the blanks. So, for that, the fifth answer is legend. Sixth one is ascetic. Seventh one is meditations. And eighth one is banished. Now answer the questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. For that, ninth question is, what did the postmaster do after reading Lencho's letter? So this question is taken from the lesson A Letter to God by G.L. Funes. In this lesson, Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 pesos. The postmaster saw the letter and helped him, but when Lencho saw the money, he doubted the post office people for stealing his money sent by God. And the answer is the postman saw the letter and could not understand where to deliver the letter, so he took it to the postmaster. The postmaster read the letter and started laughing at once, but was impressed to see Lencho's faith in God. The postmaster collected money from his employees, gave a part of his salary, and sent the money to Lencho. He also asked for help from his friends who contributed as a gesture of charity. Tenth one, briefly describe the character of Lomov. This question is taken from the lesson The Proposal by Chekhov. The play is about the tendency of rich families to hunt ties with other wealthy families to extend their estates by encouraging marriage that observe economic sense. Lomov is one of the major characters in Anton Chekhov's one act play, The Proposal. Lomov is a close neighbor of Chubukov. He is a landowner. He is almost beyond the age of marriage. He is 35 years old. He is a hypochondriac in nature. Lomov suffers from palpitation, excitement, and nervous breakdown. He has lack of confidence. He is not direct in his speech or approach. He chooses Natalia as his wife not for the love but for necessity. In order to maintain a quiet and regular life, he needs to marry, and we may also assume that this man needs to uh, satiate his personal gain by marrying to a landlord's daughter. Now, 11th one, how did Kisa Gautami realize that life and death is a process? This question is taken from the lesson The Sermon at Benares. This lesson throws light upon the early life of Lord Buddha, and upon attaining spiritual awakening, he gave his first sermon in the city of Benares, making a lady named Kisa Gautami realize that men are mortal and a wise person should not grieve at what is bound to happen, for it only enhances pain and suffering. Kisa Gautami had become weary and hopeless after the death of her son. The Buddha asked her to find a house where no one had lost a loved one, but Kisa was unable to find any such house. She then saw the flickering lights of city and realized that people's lives are similar to these lights which rise and then extinguish. In this way she realized that life and death is a normal process. 12th one, how do we know that Kodavus are a race of warriors? This question is taken from the lesson Glimpses of India from the story Kurg by Lokesh Abrol. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. We know that the Kodavus are a race of warriors, By their fiercely independent nature, their habit of telling tales of valor about their sons and fathers, the Coorg Regiment is one of the most decorated with bravery medals. The first chief of the Indian Army, that is General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Now, the odd 12th question is, who did Maddie think would win the drawing and coloring contest? Why? This question is taken from the lesson The Hundred Dresses by Eleanor Estes. The story is a sensitive account of how a poor young girl is judged by her classmates. Wanda Petronsky is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children. Other children saw Wanda as different in many ways, and how they treated her is the story all about. Maddie thought that Peggy would win the drawing contest as she had good artistic skills. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head beautifully and with complete perfection. Therefore, Maddie thought that she was better than everyone and was sure of her victory. And here we come to the end of section A. I hope you have understood the complete section. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.